Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to hide following and followers on your Instagram. It's very simple and quick, so if you don't want anybody to see your followers and following, Instagram has an option so you can hide it. First let's quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button update, click on it and I wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to Instagram and in the down right corner, click on your profile icon. Profile page will open up. Here on the top right corner you can see the 3 lines. Click on it. List of options will show up. Click on Settings. Now scroll down and find Privacy. Click on it. Here on the top, you can see an option called Private Account. Toggle it. I can't toggle it because my account is in creator mode. After that, your account is private and no one can see your following and followers. Note that Instagram by default enables this option when you create your account. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos like this. See you in the next video.